Amazon Flex is a gig delivery program where you use your own car to deliver Amazon packages, groceries, Amazon Fresh or Whole Foods, or Prime Now orders. Drivers are independent contractors and can earn $18 to $25+ per hour before expenses, depending on location, demand, and tips. Steps to get started and maximize earnings. Sign up and get approved. Download the Amazon Flex app or go to flex.amazon.com. Create an account, submit, driver's license, vehicle info, insurance, social security number, background check consent. Approval takes 1 to 14 days, faster in high demand areas. Schedule blocks. Once approved, blocks appear in the app, 2 to 6 hours long. Refresh often, blocks disappear fast. Reserve in advance, up to 7 days. Best times: early morning, evenings, weekends, holidays, surge pay higher. Deliver and earn. Pick up packages at Amazon warehouse or station, follow app directions. Deliver to customers, use app GPS, scan barcodes, take photos for proof. Tips: be friendly, communicate delays, follow delivery instructions, for example, leave at door. Tips boost earnings. Added post-delivery. Pay: direct deposit weekly. Base pay, plus tips, plus bonuses.